I'm Tralee Shea and I'm with the Develomark Cohort Program. Here at Develomark, I've been introduced to new platforms, including Duda, Airtable, and we're getting started with the new digital advertising platform. Upcoming week, dove into CEO fundamentals, as well as making creative briefs and going into client calls and learning proper communication when talking to clients. Something I've really taken away out of the Develomark Cohort Program is the importance of being valued versus commoditized. I've learned that communication and strategy is just as important as execution when it comes to a client. My favorite part so far at the Develomark Cohort Program has been being able to talk to real clients and learning new communication when it comes to dealing with clients, as well as hands-on skills when it comes to building websites and digital advertisements. What we're working on next in the Develomark Cohort Program is creating advertisements for Handyman Express. Handyman Express is a new client of ours at Develomark, and the Cohort Program is learning new skills as we bring their website alive into the internet. I was feeling very confident as our group had worked a lot on this project, and we really went in depth with asking him questions and making him feel understood, and we really got a good, strong idea of what he wanted this website to look like, so I felt very confident.